It's a lonely world we're in, and I've danced in many things. Yeah, here I am, pulling covers from my eye. And when you ask me if I love you, my words they come out fumbling. My lights are on, but I might as well be blind. And I wrote up quite a story, Lord knows it won't be boring. I've been running, but I ain't broke your line of sight. The clouds that have been forming like a cold front slowly groaning. There are times when you need someone by your side. There are times when you need someone by your side. 'Cause this is where you find me, cut between the lines, curled up under the bed sheets of yesterday. Yeah, now we're growing under. Pay the debts of loving must be for something other than wanting to stay. This is where you find me, cut between the lines, curled up under the bed sheets of yesterday. Yeah, now we're growing under. Pay the debts of loving must be for something other than wanting to stay. Wanting to
I've always believed that our love story began with divine intervention. As you said, I just randomly appeared on your Facebook feed right after your morning prayer.
Lord, thank you for wonderful.
And you thought it was the Holy Spirit indeed. We're both not looking, but we're both praying to God to make us ready. A little backstory before I met you, which we already knew. I went on a trip to Europe before turning 30. That was one of my ultimate goals. I'd made a wish in Trevi Fountain, climbed up Piazza de España, even touched statues and sculptures at Charles Bridge, not knowing who they were, but silently hoping they'd bring me luck. Somewhere between all those moments, I decided to install Bumble and Tinder. Not really to find a boyfriend, but just for fun. I was there to explore. But hey, I was already in Switzerland, so why not, diba? Tourist attractions aren't just places, they're people too.
Love, simula nakilala ko yung family mo, doon ko na-realize lalo bakit ako talaga, ano yung purpose ko sa buhay mo. Di lang ikaw yung minahal ko pati buong pamilya mo. Love, I'm sorry kung hindi natin kasama parents ko. I know they are both happy watching us, celebrating us above, and ang sarap lang nila magmahal.
I'm afraid to fall and I'm scared to fly. There's a ring in my head tonight. It's a feeling.
Nag-novena ako, pinagdasal kita. Naalala ko specific yung prayers ko. Sabi ko, Lord, gusto ko yung maganda, maputi, yung matalino. Gusto ko yung mas matalino sa akin. And then one day, pinagtagpo tayo ng tadhana. Kinilala natin yung isa't isa through Facebook.
Our relationship never felt forced. It's always been light, natural, and smooth. It may sound cliche, but we truly feel like puzzles pieces that finally fit. You complete me, and I complete you.
It's a feeling, it's crashing through for
Thankful ako kasi nagtiwala ako sa plan ni Lord. I know God's plan is better than mine. Pini-prepare lang pala niya ako para sa moment na makilala kita, ready na ako. God is amazing. Nakilala ko yung family mo. Si Mama, si Papa. Ma, Pa. Di ko po kayang tumbasan yung pagmamahal ng isang magulang o pag-aalaga. Pero hayaan niyo po akong ituloy ko yung pagmamahal, pag-aalaga, at pagpapasaya kay Clarice. Naalala ko, sabi mo, napaka-expensive ng prayers mo. Kasi you went to Europe para ipagdasal ako. Doon ko na-realize, sobrang love ako ni God. Kasi bago niya ibigay yung Brian Llanza, you need to spend more.
Give it a try. It'll be alright. The room's hush hush and now it's our moment. Take it in, feel it all at home. Dead eyes on you, eyes on me. We're doing this right. Cause lovers dance when they're feeling in love. Spotlight shining, it's all about us. It's all about us. And every heart in the room will melt. This is a feeling I've never felt, but it's all about us. Do you hear that love? They're playing our song. Do you think we're ready? Oh, I'm really feeling it. Do you hear that love? Do you hear that love?
Ako ang magiging pader mo kapag napapagod ka. Sandalan mo ako. Ako ang unang magtatanggol sa'yo. Ako ang bubuhat kapag nabibikitan ka na. Ako ang mag-aalaga sa'yo kapag hindi maganda ang pakiramdam mo. Ako ang magiging lakas mo kapag naghihina ka. At sabay natin buubuin ang pangarap nating pamilya.
Lovers dance when they're feeling in love. Spotlight shining, it's all about us. It's all about us. It's all